Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today this is not an official culinary expedition visit, but we are going to do something a little different, some international. We are actually going to the United Kingdom, where I will be preparing lentil and bacon potage. Or potage. Let's get straight to the mise en place. Okay, for the potage, we're going to be starting with some bacon, then moving to some diced onion, sliced celery, minced garlic, sliced carrots, sliced parsnips, mostly half moon, potatoes, veggie broth, green lentils, some thyme, parsley, and that ever favorite bay leaf. We're going to start with some diced bacon. We're going to cook this down. It doesn't need to be crispy, it can still be soft. Alright, the bacon is ready. Now we're going to add the onion, the celery, and the garlic. Now we're just going to sweat this just for a few minutes. This is looking really good. Let's go ahead and add the carrots, the parsnips, and the potatoes. And stir to combine. Oop, escapee. And we're just going to cook this for just a couple minutes. Okay, I'm going to add the green lentils, the thyme, the parsley, some salt, and pepper, bay leaf, and now the broth. Actually, I'm going to just want to cover all the goodies. Okay, I'm going to get this all stirred in. I'm going to bring it up to high heat, and we're going to bring it up to a boil. And once this loveliness comes up to a boil, then we're going to take it right back down to a low and simmer for an hour, where everything will become meltingly. That's the culinary word of the day. So, see you about an hour. It's been an hour, so let's go ahead and take a look at this lentil and bacon potage. Yumminess. Yep, just perfect. The veggies are just falling apart. On to the next step. Okay, here's the lentil and bacon potage, all plated nicely in this bowl. I just kind of gave it a dusting of fresh chopped parsley. Lentil and bacon potage from the United Kingdom. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, culinary themed t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.